I don't like showing my emotions to people. So I have to like make it like funny but not, if you know what I mean. Like it's not depressing and it's not sad. Like you wouldn't cry to it. So that's good. But you don't see me being emotional because I don't like being emotional in front of people. Does this make sense? I don't know, but like I hope people know what I mean because. Can you focus? Can you focus? Hi. I'm a depressed bitch. But I try not to be, but I am. I have no friends. I don't work. I don't go to college. Is that something on my shirt? Why don't I work? Because everywhere just rejects me. Like that's totally cool. Totally fine with that. I don't care. I don't go to college because I'm not confident enough to walk in there by myself. And some people are like, that's pathetic. Like, no, it's not. Go fuck your ma. I'm confident in some ways. Like, can you? Thank you.
I don't work because everyone rejects me, and it actually, like, you know what, it didn't hurt at first because, like, obviously, like, fine. But then, because, like, I kept applying to, like, everywhere, and I just kept getting rejected, and it made me feel worthless. It still does. I'm still depressed. Why? Why am I depressed? Because I have no friends, and I am stuck in the house every single fucking day of my fucking life.
Like, I'll go out now and then, but it will only be with family or by myself. Maybe one of my friends will come out. But, like, apart from that, I don't go out. Because half the time I'm fucking lazy. The only thing I can do here is fuck.
Fucking is my, like, number one habit to do here because there's nothing else to do, and I have no fucking friends, and I don't work, I don't do anything. Like, see if I had money, I would totally fucking, I would be out of here. I'd be fucking gone. You would never see my ass again. Like, never.
You wanna know what's mental? I gave someone last year till January because I couldn't do it in December because it's my friend's birthday in that month. So I had to do it in January, which is cool. But I didn't do it. I tried to, but I didn't. I tried to kill myself. More than once. Why? Because I was depressed. Out of all the times I've tried to kill myself, I've probably tried to kill myself 16 times. Since probably 2010. Till now. It's mental, ain't it? And nobody really knows. Nobody knows, actually. I tried to kill myself the other night. I didn't try. I was thinking about it. But I didn't do anything. Like, I had this stuff beside me. But I didn't do it.
But I've got it hidden away. Because I might think about doing it again. And I'm not saying all this to get attention. I'm just...
On, like, a serious note.
Like, if, I don't know if people wondering this, but like...
The ways I tried to kill myself was cutting my wrist, taking drugs.
I don't know if this will kill you or not. But like, I tried to put a pair of scissors down the back of my foot.
Shit, pins and needles in my foot. Not good.
I'll tell you some of the reasons that I can say. One, my friend died and I had to go through that shit by myself.
I had to find out by myself that my friend died. How I went? Well, let me tell you that.
When? February. A Sunday. Can't remember the date.
He taught me shit. He taught me German. He taught me what guys are like and how you know and the signs of what they want.
So he was like, I'll text you Sunday, and if I don't text, I just want you to know that I love you and I'm sorry. Like all that stuff. And he didn't text, and I thought it was just like, oh well, he must be like just getting something done or something. Like he's not. And then it was a week gone by, I was like I was spamming him at this point, like I went full on spam. And he didn't text back. So then I knew that he was gone, and that fucking broke me. And it still fucking breaks me.
I tried to drown myself twice. But like all the times that I've tried to kill myself, someone has stopped me. Or it's not worked.
Say, work shit. I I felt worthless. And then at the same time, one of my friends left because she found new people, which I think is the reason why she. I don't actually know why she left, but I'm just assuming because she found other friends, you know.
So then I was getting more upset, and I was like, I don't want to anymore.
Just like felt really worthless. So I had to kill myself. But while I was thinking of that, other reasons came into my mind, and I
I
was
was like, fuck. Bye world. Am I still suicidal? Probably. But like, don't worry. Do not worry. But like, on a serious note, if any of my family members see this, then worry. Like, seriously, don't, because it'll drive me fucking crazy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. That's just one bum you should have told.